Okay. Hey guys, I hope everyone's good. I hope everyone's blessed. I hope everyone had an amazing new year. I know I did. I've been a little bit slow with the uploads because I've just been so busy. I got a new video for you. We're watching it now. It's 4 struggles of being a photographer in 2022 in this here world. Let's go. Oh yeah, before we continue, I need you guys please to, subscribe, drop a like, drop a comment, helps this channel out a lot. It helps me out a lot as well. So please do that for me. Thank you guys. All right, one of the main struggles of being a photographer is figuring out where to start. Okay, when you start, it's going to be really important to get yourself out there. So you're going to want to search Model London in your Instagram hashtags. If you use Instagram for your photography, I use it. You're going to want to search photography jobs, everything really. I was DMing millions of models, and some of them got back to me. Some of them got back to me anyway. And I still work with them to this very day, and some of them didn't, and well, most of them didn't. Most of them said no. They all say no. Like, you will get no's, and you gotta get used to hearing the word no, otherwise you're gonna be screwed. But yeah, I got a lot of no's. I got a lot of maybe sometime, or what you doing next week, and then no replies. So trust me, be ready for that, because you're new. So you're gonna have to build up something. Like, you're gonna have to, maybe even a friend. If you have a friend who models, I have a friend who models. She helped me a lot when I first started. And yeah, really try to get yourself out there. Really try. Running out of creative steam is a big one, and it happened to me as well. I cannot stress the importance of taking care of yourself and resting, and actually just saying to yourself, not today. You know what I mean? I think 2021 for me was a very drained year. About mid 2021 is when I actually started to notice that I was slacking a lot, and I was just burnt out. I just wanted to sleep all day and eat. It is very important to keep yourself healthy, and keep yourself energized and everything, because I was going to bed at 5 a.m, waking up at 9 a.m. to do brand shoots for people nearly every day. Like, from 2017 to 2016, to 2021, it's literally waking up every day and grinding. Like, and even on the rare occasion that I did give myself a day off, I couldn't resist hopping back on my computer and just doing some work, or going out and shooting something. So just make sure that you give yourself time to, rest and just be your best self. People will try to take advantage of you, especially when you're just starting out. Especially then, because that's when you're the most naive. That's when you're most likely to make mistakes. For example, they'll try and get you to do jobs that they should be paying hundreds or thousands for about 20-50 pounds. You know what I mean? And they're saying that it's good for your portfolio. Do not get me wrong, by the way. I've never been one to be against doing work for free. Like, that's how I came up. I remember I was doing a lot of work for free because I wanted to show people what I can do as a human, as a photographer. So I just wanted to show people what I can do and what I can bring to the table, and why you should hire me. You know what I mean? That was me. And also, you need to be aware of what you are capable of as a person, because the amount of times that I have taken on more work than I can handle is actually nuts. It's crazy. Gear costs. Gear is expensive. Let's just put it out there right now. If you want to be one of the top photographers, you're gonna have to cash out a lot over time. These are facts. You literally will be. This combination right here, this beautiful combination, it should have a lens cap on it. but it doesn't. Oh, we're not gonna complain about that too much. Anyway, the camera body at the time cost me 1,800 pounds, and this isn't even the newest version. This is literally like 8 years old. Like the newest ones these days cost about exactly, literally. But like, where there's a will, there's a way. In my opinion, I've always led my life like that. You can get good photography equipment for quite cheap, and you can also get cheap photography equipment that is really quite good. Like, to be honest, I've spent £100 on a lens before, and the lens blew me away. Beautiful lenses out there for less than £300, less than £400. But yeah, it is going to be quite expensive. But yeah, like, just be wary of that, and do not be afraid to buy secondhand. I will forever scream this, okay? Do not ever be scared of buying secondhand camera equipment. If the website is trusted and it's got good reviews, then they'll probably come to you more or less clean, to be honest. Look at this. I bought this lens secondhand. Barely a scratch on it. Barely a scratch on it. Look at that. Beautiful. Although there's some scuffs on it, but what are the scuffs really gonna do to me? They're not gonna kill me, you know what I'm saying? Wait, let me take this off. They're not gonna kill me. Look, still basically a fresh lens at the end of the day. I love it. But yeah, those are 4 struggles you're likely to have in the photography game. And I'll be back with more of these. I'm just gonna be more consistent this time, definitely, because the views are starting to rack up. I see you guys, trust me. And yeah, peace out, guys. Peace.